Yo, what's up guys? I'm about to put you onto this new side hustle and share this secret new website that people are using to make thousands of dollars online. I'm giving y'all all the details right now. You want to come over to a website called IDPLR. Basically what this is a website where you can get the rights and the license to certain digital products that you can resell as your own for a profit. These are all the products that they have, but in today's example, we're going to be talking about eBooks with master resale rights. Basically what this is saying is that you have the right and the license to each ebook so that it's legally yours and you can do whatever you want with it. And guys, look at all the ebooks that this website offers. There's a ton of great valuable ebooks on this website. So the ways people are making money with this is that they're going to like freelance websites and saying you can write an ebook, and then they're giving one of these ebooks because they have the rights and the license to it, or they're giving away on membership sites, or that they're just selling it as is. You have the rights and you have the license to it. It's your ebook. You can do whatever you want with it. So make sure you like and share this video to help other people learn this method so they can start making money online.